In this video, we will discuss about the LS experiment at LHC. We already discussed about what is the LHC in our previous video. If you forgot to watch, you can watch that video first. Then you have to move on towards this video. And in this video, we will specifically discuss about the LS experiment. Okay, because you know that LS is one of the detector at LHC. Okay, what's basically the overview of the LS detector? The pictorial representation of LS detector is shown with this diagram. You can see this is the LS detector inside view. Complete view of LS detector. Okay, a dedicated heavy ion detector at LHC. LS is basically the heavy ion detector at LHC because in this whenever we have to collide heavy ions like lead, xenon, okay, this LS detector is supposed to be used. LS stands for a Large Ion Collider Experiment, as the name stands for a large ion collider. Okay, so yes, it's basically working on the heavy ions detector. Okay, it's basically a heavy ion detector. This is basically optimized for studying quark-gluon plasma, QGP. Okay, means we have to discover before the Big Bang, what happened at the time of Big Bang. So LS detector is working on that. So it optimized for the studying of quark-gluon plasma. Okay, and the properties of strong interacting matter. What's basically the purpose of the LS experiment at LHC? The purpose is focuses on proton-proton. We can collide proton-proton, and we can ion basically heavy ions like as I told you lead, xenon, and other also. Okay, basically LS experiments focuses on this. The next thing is to investigate the formation and behavior of hot dense matter in earlier universe. Means how the hot dense matter formatted, means made, and what are their behavior, how your universe is expanding day by day, and how it creates. Okay, so we have to discuss about their formation, the earlier part. Okay, the beginning of this universe, hot dense matter, and the crucial for understanding the multiplicity, basically the number of particles produced is called the multiplicity. And we have to understanding the multiplicity, and we have to understand the charge particle production in high energy collision. Whenever particle collide, it further made many new particles, and we have to discover those particles at LS. Okay, in high energy collisions like proton-proton and heavy ions. So this is all about the LS experiment at LHC. The pictorial representation of LS is shown in this diagram. You can watch. Okay, this is how a big LS experiment is in front of a human. You can compare it. Okay, here one beam is coming, and here from another end second beam is coming. Okay, and inside this chamber, okay, inner chamber, here your particles collide. After collision it moves towards this. Okay, so this is all about the LS experiment at LHC. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. We will upload more lectures for this course, particle physics.